Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Do Not Disturb keeps turning on issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Notifications. After click on Notifications, click on Do Not Disturb. After click on Do Not Disturb and you will see schedule. If you want to fix this problem, click on schedule and click on delete this schedule. After click on delete this schedule, so go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Scroll down and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on general management. After click on general management, click on reset and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, click on reset settings, enter your phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Do Not Disturb keeps turning on issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.